Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Everyone, welcome to AI Studio tutorial 79, and today's topic is Concept Sketcher walkthrough in AI Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected towards the workspace page. Over there you can see multiple features to generate AI diagram. Today we are talking about the Concept Sketcher feature. So kindly click on it, and in the next page you would be redirected to our Concept Sketcher canvas. So firstly you need to add a diagram name. So for example, I'm adding this as my diagram name. And click on continue. And then this is our canvas where you can generate diagrams for any concept that you have in your mind. So where you can put up your input is over here in this input box. And if you click on generate, then your diagram would be generated in next 15 to 20 seconds. If you want to add a note, you can use this button. If you want to zoom in and zoom out the canvas, you can do it from here. If you want the diagram to fit in the canvas, you can use this one. And if you want to reset it, you can do it from here. And this credit box shows you that how many credits are left for you to use and generate the diagram. And this is the animation panel for different animations. And this is the export button. Once your diagram gets generated, you can export it in three formats. First is SVG, second is image, that is PNG, and third is 5-second HD MP4 video. If you have enabled the animation and you want to put it in your PPT and show the flow of the diagram, you can use this option. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.